Hey guys, it's your boy Austin. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing some Lunchables. So, let's see what comes in. It's a ham and American cheese, cracker stackers, always good. Oscar Mayer lean ham, water added. So, for all of you out there who are allergic to water, Kraft American pasteurized pre-prepared cheese product. It's a plus in my book. Crackers. Capri Sun, that's trademark. Can't take that, kids. Roaring Waters drink. And Chips Ahoy cookies. Open here. Okay. Oh, maybe don't open there. Oh, easy open. There we go. That's what I want. Easy open. This isn't so easy. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Put that to the side. Let's see what else we got. We got a full size wild cherry. Ew. Ew. There's some. Mommy's supposed to film the smoke. Here we go. Getting your plush smoke. Play plush smoke. Platypus. Mom, smoke. Collect 10 use. Number 2, visit lunchables.com. We'll do that later. And print out the mail-in form. Mail-in UPC by January 15th. Mail-in by January 15th. Right there. Okay. What made the programmers sick? Smoke.
What?
Smoke. Say I have no clue. Because it says I have no clue. Say that.
I have no clue.
A computer virus. Smoke. Yay. Alright. Oh, here, I got 2 smokes before we get to the Lunchables. Mom! Think about it. Why do teachers tell you to follow your moms, but they don't let you sleep in class? Ha
I don't know.
ha ha ha.
She was growing out of play school. Still she could kick and scream and play until she wanted to. My little chocolate girl.
Oh, we got another one. Hold on.
I don't know why.
Shut up, Mom. Okay. Think about it. Is a story about a broken pencil pointless?
I mean, not really.
You're a dumb idiot, Mom. Alright.
Don't talk back to your mother.
Under the Lunchables. Here we go. Listen to this. Listen. Oh yeah. Sweaty ham. Mom, don't touch my ham.
Sorry.
Now, it's time to create the most perfect sandwich ever. Guess how many slices of ham? Yeah, you.
4.
Yeah. Guess how many slices of cheese?
1.
You got that one right. It's 1 slice. Tell me something, because this is gonna go everywhere. And then my mouth is gonna die. Oh.
Coming over there.
Here we go. That's copyright.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We don't want to get sued. Here we go. So good. That's the end, boys and girls. See you next week.
What score do you give it, honey?
Watch the video out of 10.
Anthony Fantano,
Lunchables.
forever.